So this is Calabria, and we're sailing, no motor, going east, which is generally choppy seas, rough wind directly into it, and it's usually awful, so you can only go so far. Well, these are beautiful winds, beautiful seas, beautiful sailing. And we're going straight to St. Thomas. It's really nice. Sail Rock. This is Sail Rock. Alright, we are heading into St. Thomas, U.S. Virgin Islands. We are trying to go into St. Thomas, and the sail stopped furling in. And Dave is out there trying something. Might have to do it by hand. You can see through the spray of the windows. He is doing it by hand. No fun. St. Thomas. Summer resort, we think. Condos.
Yeah, a lot of condos. Back here, probably.
On the way in. St. Thomas. Okay, we are anchored at St. Thomas, Virgin Islands. U.S. Virgin Islands. It's Catamaran City. I mean, there's some monohulls, but it's mostly catamarans. What is this? This is St. Thomas. This is a walkway. We're going over to Market Square. It says that there's, I don't know, it's only open Saturday morning, so we figured we'd give it a try. Lots of traffic. They drive on the left side of the road. Cruise ship is in port. And this is our dinghy ride. These are the fuel docks. And that's a big catamaran leaving the fuel docks. This is the dinghy dock. Are we gonna find room? Who knows? We'll make room. Touristy thing. We're going on this sky ride. And you go up the stairs. All right.
Going skiing.
Here is our ride up. We're in this. And there's the two of us, I think.
What, you see more?
No, I don't know if I see us or not. And we're in the first cabin, so we're getting some good views to go up. Anyways. Going up a chairlift. And I guess, oh, there are buildings, stores. I don't know. Restaurants. We're actually looking for ice cream. And there it is coming down. I guess it goes in a group of 3. Is it worth it? I don't know. It's about 25 bucks a person, but why not? We're just doing it. This is the top.
All right, hold on.
It's beautiful. That's fine.
So essentially on the mainland it's like on a freeway.
Yes.
That's our freeway for like car gets excited. And then it stops right there.
Have Carol and Colleen.
There you go.
That we met in St. Thomas.
Wonderful St. Thomas and
There we go.
hi
Am I in
everyone.
there?
It's been an amazing day. We met this wonderful couple visiting our island. They've been extremely friendly. We jumped in and they took our photographs. We're at the top of Paradise Point, getting in as much view as possible. And once they leave, I'm sure they're going to remember this wonderful hospitality from a Centomian.
We will.
Yes.
And we're on Suicide Jump right here.
Oh! Somebody may just come in.
We are heading down on the gondola. Back into the hotter part. It's pretty hot everywhere anyways. But there's a nice breeze at the top. So somewhere down here, we're going to the grocery store
Yeah, there's all kinds of shops over there.
and shops over here, restaurants.
All right, so you're having trouble with the furling, the Genoa furling gearbox. It's freezing up. When I can after I free it up, I can pull the sail out, but I can't pull it back in. It freezes up. And I think what's happening is this. I have a thrust bearing that comes up right to right here. And the electric motor goes through this part, and I think that the bearings are worn and I can't find them right now. So what I'm going to do is I froze this and then used a small screwdriver to pop it out. And then what we're going to do is put some folded over tin foil. I'm going to cut it around here, and we're going to do that as a shim back there. See if we can move this up. The bearings are still working, but I think that they're needle bearings and they wore thin. So we're going to give that a try, see if I can move this out and get our furling going back until we can try to find the right bearing for it.
Is this the gearbox?
This whole thing here is a gearbox.
And
It's
this
the
is
motor.
the motor, and this is what he's doing is, and it's not working.
It worked better, but then it stopped again, so we got more shit.
So what are you doing now? Try,
Taking the motor back off so I can put shims. Pull that piece out.
oh, try something else?
Yeah, more shims. Pull that little piece out again and add more layers of tin foil in there to shim it out.
This is all in St. Thomas.
St. Thomas.
What else is there? You know, like they say, work on boats in exotic places.
Yep.
That's where that thing is.
What thing?
The thing you took apart.
Yeah, it goes right in there.
The one with the race in it.
So the motor goes right down in here, and there's a key right there, and that's what's not turning right there. So I'm gonna pull this piece out again. Don't want to pop that into the ocean though. Be in trouble with that. There it goes. Okay,
Try again.
try again. All right, so we're going to do a checkup on the autopilot on the bolt that holds it onto the rudder. Just make sure it's not come loose at all. While we're here, while we're waiting for a weather window, a wind window to head south. So the bolt right here is what I'm looking at. Make sure that didn't loosen up at all. It doesn't look like it's, no, it's rock solid.
Here we are. E2. We are at Tapping Still. We read it was good. Getting these, whatever they are, drinks. Okay, we are approaching the fuel docks at Yacht Haven Marina. At Yacht Haven Marina in St. Thomas. And there's a cruise ship. We don't know if we can turn around or not. We just don't know if there's enough room. We'll figure it out. If we have to, we'll go back out. So just as we think we're going to have plenty of room to turn around, a catamaran who's picking up excursion people from the cruise ship is coming out. So now we kind of have to wait till they come out. And hopefully another one doesn't come in, because we want to turn around to get fuel on our starboard side. Okay, we managed. We got in to the fuel dock in there. We were able to turn around, got our fuel, a little bit of water. They charge for water. But this way we don't have to spend tons of fuel and money with the fuel making water. And now we're heading out to St. John. And surprisingly, well, not surprisingly, there's cruise ships here, so the water's actually dirty, like Cape Canaveral. But it is a beautiful port. By St. Thomas and the cruise ships. There's a jetty there. It is a pretty place, but the water's dirty. Okay, this is, again, we are leaving St. Thomas. Now we're going to do our bell.
And just gonna get 3 because the town was good. Good place to get groceries. We did a little sightseeing, but it was roly-poly the whole time. Yeah, we'll leave one of the doubles off.
Half.
It was roly-poly the whole time.
We want to say thank you to all of our viewers who have subscribed and commented. We appreciate your support and feedback. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. This really helps us build our channel up so we can keep bringing you more videos.